Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Looks like there's a train coming. I see the light. There it goes. Bnsf 8595 and Bnsf 6329. A loaded coal train. Just so you know, for this train, the nickname is a loaded coal train. So yeah, that's a nickname. Over there, I've walked over there before, so I don't know why a train driver's honking. Maybe just honking for fun. Looks like this big boy may come to a stop. I'm here for a bunch of rail panels in Lawrence, Kansas. Say hi, Doug. Hey, Camel, what's up? Yeah, it's Doug. My dad, here's my dad. Hi, I'm my other dad. But yeah, we all real penny. The loaded coal train. That's me. I am going to step back from the train. What in the universe? Whoa. No foul trucks over loaded coal trains. No, that's not appropriate. Oh my goodness, there it goes. Oh my goodness, another one. God, boys, subscribe to my channel, please. For good luck for the rest of your life. How big is this loaded coal train? The loaded coal train. Hey, yo, what's up, boy? Look, it's like so obvious. He's literally stopping. Well, that guy can stop too. Hey. I don't even know what I'm doing. It's so funny. It's the SD-78 engineer. It's Chuck. That train driver was Chuck. He didn't even home with me. I mean, it was John. That was John. Dang, it was John. Hola, guys. My nickname is the Loaded Engineer. Goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to hold it up. Hey. Stop dancing, boys. Hey. This video is funny, guys. Hey. I asked for 78 cents. Oh my goodness. Well, looks like that's the end of the loaded engineer. Hey, what up, my boy? Hey. See y'all guys next video. Bye.